Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having any of those three vehicles. I'm talking about Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid engine. All these three vehicles share the same drivetrain, the same engine, same transmission. In today's video we will explain where your intake temperature sensor is located. Let's say you have a check engine light on and code related to intake temperature sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain how to find it. It's actually integrated and it's part of another sensor. So also we'll share one common mistake people make, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money on parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money. So with that being said, guys, okay, first, in order to replace the intake air temperature sensor, you will need to remove your upper engine cover. Okay, right here we have a video on the channel that will explain how to remove engine cover, so check it out step by step. Why? Because when it's installed, okay, that sensor right here will be where it will be hitting that coolant tank, and you will not be able to remove it. That sensor is known as the mass airflow sensor, guys. That calculates practically how much air the engine is getting. But in addition to that, guys, okay, that sensor actually measures the temperature of the air going in the engine. Why you need that? Because different temperature air, let's say temperature at 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Fahrenheit will have different density, so the engine needs to calculate that so it knows exactly how much fuel to put and all that stuff. So Torx 25, okay, let me see, Torx 25, let me focus quick here, start looking bit, okay, I'm having a little bit of trouble, perfect, to focus, and we're going to go ahead, remove the two screws now, and you see, you cannot remove that sensor without removing the upper engine cover. Again, if you want to check the video, it will be on our channel. So we'll go ahead and just start removing that now. Perfect. And that, guys, is your integrated two sensors. Is one, it's mass airflow temperature sensor, and also it's the intake temperature sensor. You can see you have two components, one here, and you have one inside. You can kind of like see it right there with different holes. So that's why, guys, okay, sometimes it will be hard to find that thing. We decided to make a video show you where it's located, how to remove and replace it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.